Hey guys, welcome to Larock Cooking Adventure. I'm your host, Wifey Larock, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite dishes, Branzino Al Forno, baked Branzino. Branzino is a fish and it's very simple to make this way. Okay, this is one Branzino. It's called here Branzino or sea bass. And as you guys can see, it's not clean. So I'm going to show you how you clean a fish. You need a pair of scissors, and where you see in the belly, this little hole is where basically the eggs come out. You're gonna start cutting through. Of course, you can ask at the store if the people can clean it for you, but today I found it not clean, and I thought it was nice to show you just in case sometime it might come handy. All right, it's not really hard to cut, so you cut it, see all those guts. You're gonna reach here. There is just one gut that from the mouth go inside the belly. You're gonna reach for that. There you go. And then you're gonna cut it. All right. Make sure you don't break this green part because it's very bitter, and then the meat is gonna taste bitter. All right, you get all this out, and you try also. You see there is some blood here. You should try to get it out too. Otherwise it will show brown once cooked. I squeeze it, and then once you're done, you rinse it out and you're good to go. Okay, once you rinse your Branzino up, you should see something like this. And then whatever else you need is going to be some garlic, some fresh garlic, half a lemon, some fresh thyme, a little bit of rosemary, and then olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, some salt, pepper, and for a little bit of garnish I have some cherry tomatoes, a little bit of white onion, one zucchini, a little potato, and some red pepper. Okay, first thing we're going to do is transfer the Branzino into a baking sheet with some parchment paper if you don't want to put it directly on the tray and don't have to scrub too much. Then what we're going to do is get a clove of garlic, squish it, and put it inside the belly. Get some thyme and put it inside the belly like that. The rosemary, cut half a lemon, and squeeze it inside the belly and outside. You can also put it inside. You cut it like that. You can leave it inside while it cooks, and then you're going to need a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil. Okay, it's ready, and it's going to bake at the same time as the garnish also bake. So I'm gonna set this aside and start cutting the garnish. Okay, while you do this, you're going to heat up your oven at 400 degrees. So first thing, you're gonna get the little potatoes, peel it, remove the dark spots, This is basically rough sort of ratatouille, and this hot pepper is gonna give a little bit of kick. So what I'm going to do is cut the vegetable really thin, like that. Okay, put it inside the Pyrex. Get the zucchini. Also slice it very thin. The fish is like a white meat, it's not pink like the salmon, so it has a very delicate taste, and I believe this mix of vegetable pair really good with that kind of meat. Let's get some onion. And then a little bit of garlic, not a whole clove, but a little pinch. That's what I like to do, and give it a chop. And then some cherry tomatoes, just like that, just whole. There you go. Then we're going to put some of the fresh thyme, like that, and a couple of these hot peppers. And you can use hot chili flakes if you want to. I wouldn't recommend the grinded, but the flakes could look good, work good. Some pepper, some a little bit of salt, and some extra virgin olive oil. And then you give it a mix. And these two guys, the vegetable and the fish, are going to bake in the oven, as I say, 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. All right. Let me wash my hands. Okay, like that, we're ready for the oven. 400 degrees, 40 minutes. And if you can, put it in the same rack. Okay guys, our 40 minutes are going to be up. There you go. You cannot hear it, but the time is off. Let's check this guy. This sea bass. Hot, hot. Can you see? Nice and crispy. Right, and I'm going to mix this vegetable look like this. I'm gonna give them a stir and leave it in the oven for another couple minutes, like that. I'll leave it in the oven for another couple minutes. While they cook for another couple minutes, I'm gonna show you how to clean the fish. So what you're going to do is use a fork and a spoon and gently remove the skin, which is really crispy. This fish don't have a lot of bones, so it's not that hard to clean. All right, let me get the skin off. And this might be like a meal for two. That this is I think is, I don't know if I mentioned it, but it should be about a pound of weight. All right. And then what we're gonna put on this meat is going to be just a little bit of olive oil. That's all. The herbs and the lemon in the belly may give all the flavor that we needed. It smells really good. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to eat this fish. Okay guys, once you finish cleaning up, this is what your fish look like. see the skin, you don't need to get the scale off the skin because you're gonna get rid of it. You can serve it whole if you want to, but that's my way. All right, this is what you get. Hold on, let me still make this. And let's get the vegetables. Woo! Right, and like I said, just a little bit of olive oil. Simple and delicious. Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and click one of the videos above and watch our other contents. Thank you.